Hi, it's John here with just a quick video showing you how to withdraw money from Yieldnodes. So I know people are skeptical as to whether you can actually get any money out of Yieldnodes once you put it in. So in this video, I'm just going to get some of my withdrawal balance here. Let's say 44.98, and we're going to withdraw this back into a Bitcoin wallet and see if it comes through okay. So I'm going to click withdraw here. I'm just going to scroll down because there's a little notice here explaining the process of withdrawing money. So it says, please note that withdrawals should be requested before the 15th of each month in order to be processed on the 8th of the next month. So the best interval to send withdrawal requests are, for this month, for example, December the 1st to December the 15th. Alternatively, you can reinvest your withdrawal balance for one more month. So I'm going to add a Bitcoin wallet because I don't actually have one yet. I'm going to use my Yieldnodes Bitcoin wallet. So I'm going to add a new wallet, BTC wallet. The wallet title can be Yieldnodes Bitcoin. So I'm going to go into my Yieldnodes account here and just get my deposit address. So this is the deposit button. And I'm going to use the BEC32 address here. And then I'm going to select copy here. I'm going to paste this into here and just double check it's all correct. So it ends in MMF and starts with BC1. BC1 MMF, that's right. So I'm going to click add wallet. I'm going to pop in my authentication code here, and we can now see I have a wallet that I can select. Okay, so I'm going to now withdraw, and I almost forgot that the minimum is actually 50 euros, so I'm going to withdraw 50 euros and hit withdraw. So we've got our wallet selected here, click withdraw, stick in another code, and that's it. The request goes through. You don't really get much of a notification apart from the fact it's up here as pending. So we've got 50 euros pending. We've still got 94.98 withdrawable. I'm going to transfer that into my node balance. I'm going to go to deposit and then deposit 94.98, and that can just go back in to my Masternoded balance. Right, so we're stuck here now with the pending, so I should receive this on the 8th of next month, hopefully. So on the 8th of January, I should get 50 euros deposited from Yieldnodes. I will set a reminder on my phone to record the remaining part of this video just to confirm that hopefully on the 8th or maybe the 9th, depending on how long it takes to come through, I should receive my 50 euros from Yieldnodes. Once we're happy that that's through, hopefully that means you can trust Yieldnodes a bit better, because I know there is a lot of skepticism about Yieldnodes. But I mean, I've only got a small amount in here compared to what some people have got in theirs, so I'm just playing it safe as much as I can. I'm just going to get my return on investment back, and then I will just allow the rest to build up and hopefully set this to say 50% profits, and I'll then get half of it being compounded and half coming directly to my Bitcoin wallet. If you haven't checked out my other Yieldnodes videos, then I've put links down in the description. You can see my first month at Yieldnodes where I describe the system a bit more, and also my second month after a full month of having a Masternoded balance. So check those out down below. If you've got any questions, then do leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Okay, so a month has passed since I filmed that last part of the video. It's now the 8th of January, and I have just recently received my 50 euros that I withdrew into my Bitcoin wallet. So we can take a look at that. So I withdrew it to my Yieldnodes wallet, if you remember. So I can just click on here and have a look inside. We can see the transaction history from today is a receive of 0.001352 BTC. So we can have a look at this and just confirm all the details. So we're happy that's all gone through, and we can see now I've now got nothing pending in my withdrawals here. So I'm quite happy that that's gone through, and that just proves obviously that we can get money back out of the system once we put it in. Now I probably haven't mentioned in the previous videos that when you do deposit money, so your first 500 euros for example, that'll be locked in for 6 months. You can do an emergency withdrawal if you wish. They do allow you to do that, but I haven't tried that, so I'm not sure what would happen there. But basically it's locked in for 6 months. So after your balance has been masternoded and you've got your 500 or however much you deposit in your masternoded balance, everything you add in addition to that, so if you go to deposit, if you want to make more deposits, you can do that just from in here. So the minimum deposit after your initial minimum of 500 is 10 euros. So you don't have to keep putting in 500 euros. It can just be 10 or whatever it is that you actually want. Everything else that you deposit will then obviously be then locked up for 6 months. So if I deposit 10 euros now, that'll be locked up for 6 months, and then I can withdraw it again after 6 months from today. So yeah, hopefully that all makes sense. And we can see here actually our first week in January, we've already made 1.7% profit. So let's hope this stays at least around that sort of amount for the rest of January, and we should see another similar profit to December. Now I'm going to probably put a bit more money into my Masternoding balance just to get a bit more next month. But remember, don't ever deposit anything that you can't afford to lose. So I hope this video was useful, just to prove that Yieldnodes is a real system and you do really get your money back at the end of it. Obviously you can set your profits here to either compound or not compound by as little as 10% if you wish. I'll leave mine on 100 for the time being, just so it goes straight back in. When it does compound, it doesn't take another 7 days to actually go into your Masternoding balance. It's almost, well, it's at least within 24 hours, it'll just be straight back in. So you don't have to wait each time you're compounding. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sure to make another Yieldnodes video at the start of February, just so we can see how well we've done. If you haven't checked out my previous video, we got 7.5% in December, so that was quite a nice little chunk of money there, 127 euros. So if you have any other comments or questions, do leave them down below and I'll do my best to help out where I can. If you do want to join Yieldnodes, you can use my affiliate link in the description. That really helps out the channel. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.